friends.
Welcome, dear friends. The friendship between China and Pakistan shall endure through generations. Today, we gather with instituted in Sanya to make important occasions of the state visit by His Excellency Pakistan President Zardari to China. At the signing ceremony of China-Pakistan Memorandum of Understanding and Agreement, we will carry forward friendship through cooperation and jointly build a promising future with win-win results. This year makes the 75th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relationship between China and Pakistan. Over the past 75 years, our original aspiration has remained unchanged, and the all-wise strategic cooperative partnership between the two nations remains rock solid. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor advanced connectivity, stressing industry cooperation, and delivers benefits to people's livelihood, injecting substance impetus into the development of both nation and regional property. This signing event focused on three sectors: high-end equipment manufacturing and construction machinery sector, animal vaccine, and high-end medical equipment. Promote the process dunking between government and process and practical cooperation to open a new chapter for the high-quality development of the CPEC and mutual benefits and the win-win result between the two countries. The fourth MoU is signing is also a core cooperation project with high-level guidance and the fastest delivery outcome during His Excellency the President's visit to China. The signing in the sector of high-end equipment manufacturing and construction machinery. This cooperation will focus on the construction of CPEC, deepen all-round cooperation in the supply of complemented construction machinery and equipment, to establishment of a professional talent training system and the whole process after-sales operation and maintenance service. At the same time, it will actively explore the feasibility path to invest and also build a factory in Pakistan and realize the localized production of construction machinery. With China high-end intelligent hardcore stress, it will help Pakistan speed up infrastructure, construction, and accelerate the industrialization process, and consolidate the solid foundation for connectivity and industry synergy between the two countries. During the President's visit to China, President Zardari made a special trip to Hunan to visit the SANE's global headquarters, deeply understand the enterprise intelligent manufacturing stress and high-end equipment research and development achievement, and highly recognize SANE's industry-leading technology and the whole industry chain service ability, and gave important instruction on deepening China-Pakistan equipment manufacturing cooperation. Today's signing is an important achievement of President Zardari's visit to China and his visit to Hunan. It's a rapid learning and practical practice promoted by the high-level officials of the two countries, and fully demonstrates the firm determination of China-Pakistan cooperation to the efficient, pragmatic, and work together. Let's welcome Senator Salim Mandvivala, representative of Al Hassan Trade Establishment, Mr. Li Qing, Vice President of SANE Group, Chairman of SANE Overseas Director of Business Department, Mr. Hao Zhaolong, Chairman of Hainan International Technology Company, and the stage and the sun. Congratulations for signing the MoU. So the second is the agreement was signed between the Government of Sindh Institute Animal Health and the Modern Biology Group. In this cooperation, they will rely on the platform of the localized production mode to carry out the production and the supply of foot and mouth disease concentrated vaccine, imported concentrated vaccine stock solution from Sindh, carry out personal capability building in the fields of animal vaccine production, and also the disease diagnosis and monitoring system. We will deepen the integration of resources and lay a solid foundation for China-Pakistan cooperation in agriculture and people livelihood. So now, welcome Mr. Sharjeel Memon, Senior Minister for Information and Transport, Government of Sindh, and also Mr. Wang Shanpu, Chairman of Modern Biology Group, come on the stage. Congratulations for the cooperation. The third MoU is signed between the Zia Arting Hospital and the Shenzhen Weibang Technology Company. In this cooperation, the two parties will take advantage of the open up advantage of Hainan Free Trade Zone and the opportunity of CPEC to build a cooperation mode of product plus service plus solution in the fields of innovative application of medical intelligent robots in the clinical medicine, so as to facilitate the construction of Pakistan medical and health system. Now let's welcome Mr. Anup, representative from Dr. Zia Arting Hospital, Mr. Deng Haitao, the director of Shenzhen Weibang Technology Company, come to the stage and stand. Congratulations for the ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, a paper contract sets out the mission and goes on a new journey together. Just now, under the witness of His Excellency President Zardari, 3 major cooperation projects have been successfully signed, covering 3 key areas: agriculture and animal husbandry technology, high-end equipment manufacturing, and medical industry. Those cooperation include both the achievement of the last president's visit to China and the efficient cooperation from the president's visit to Hunan, the signing of the MoU in Sanya. They are not only meet the needs of the development of the 2 countries, but also conform to the general trend of the cooperation. They are not only the fruitful result of China-Pakistan practical cooperation, but also the living witness of the 2 countries' strong friendship. Thanks again to His Excellency the President for your time and gracing the occasion. May the friendship between China and Pakistan endure forever. Wish all the distinguished guests good health and every success. Thank you all.
तीन नस्लों से चलती हुई दोस्ती है जो नस्ल दर नस्ल आगे चलती जा रही है। पाकिस्तान का हर मुश्किल में साथ देने वाला मुल्क चाइना इस वक्त पाकिस्तान को मज़ीद मुस्तहकम करने के लिए आगे बढ़ रहा है। हम देख रहे हैं कि सदर मुमलिकत आसिफ अली जरदारी की जानिब से वहाँ का दौरा किया जा रहा है। 2 अहम सूबे हैं जहाँ का दौरा किया गया है और उसमें अहम जो MOUs हैं उनको साइन किया गया है।